Hi guys, welcome back to another MD video. Today's video is going to be a little bit different due to the lockdown of South Africa, and we're all isolated to our own homes and we can't go out and shoot as we usually do. I'm going to narrate you through today's video, and we're going to jump to Ray's house where he is installing an extra wind guard screen on his Triumph Tiger 800 XC. Check it out. Okay, here we have Raymond's Triumph Tiger. So he's going to be attaching an extra wind deflection screen to the current screen. Here's the tools that it's going to be using: a whiteboard marker, some pliers, screwdriver, the nuts and bolts, as well as a drill with a metal drill bit, a level, obviously to get the screen nice and level, and some dish soap, which is going to help the drill bit just glide a little bit easier. So he's going to start off with the level, getting the level of the screen, positioning it correctly, measuring it, and then adding some dots with the whiteboard marker, marking where he needs to drill. And then he's going to take the drill with the metal drill bit, using some of the dish soap on there just to make it glide a little bit easier, drilling very slowly, as not to crack the screen, and getting those holes nice and clean. Okay, so he's starting to thread the nuts through the bolts through the screen, and adding the nuts on the other side with the screen on it. And then using the pliers and the screwdriver, just tightening those nice and snugly, not over tightening it as to crack the plexiglass screen, but just having it there permanently nice and tight. As you can see, the bolts are a bit long, so he's going to be using a Dremel with a diamond cut-off wheel and cutting those bolts to size, making it nice and flush and looking good. And there you go, nice and clean, bolts cut off, tightened, permanently attached to the other screen, and it's looking rather good. There you go, nicely done. Ray did a good job. Nice and clean install. It looked like it went nice and smoothly. So that's going to be it for today, guys. If you like this video, hit the like button. Remember to subscribe to the channel for more, and I'll see you on the next one. See ya.